and welcome to a mini Jamie Oliver. So today we're going to be making a ham sandwich. Now for those of you who are vegetarian, you can do the same but with cheese. So get your bread and your chopping board and pop 2 slices down. And now, why don't we get some butter? So, wait there, I'll be back in a tick. I'm only kidding, you're coming with me. So, let's head to the fridge and get some butter. And so, now that we've got our butter, we can spread the butter along the sandwiches. Now wait, I'll just get my knife. So there, I've got my knife, and it's fine. You want about that much. And to start off with, if you're only a child doing this, you may want to ask a grown-up to help you. See? And if any grown-ups, if you make any mistakes with the butter, don't worry. Just seal it up with, just seal the crack up with some more butter, like I have. And whilst you're doing this, you can put some music on, but I'd rather to do it just without music, because it's fine to do it with music or without. But anyway, back to the cooking. Now, a nice way to do it, if you have to soften the ham or cheese, is to just do it all like that, all lumpy and all over. So, and if you don't get enough, just get a little bit more and spread it around. Because you don't really know, because unless you're a very well experienced chef, then like me, you might not know how much butter you need to use. After I've done this, I'll seal up my last piece of bread. Sorry it was so noisy back then, the washing machine was just on. So, once you've done your slices, it should look something a bit like this. Now that we've done that, which looks pretty good so far, let's get out our ham. And you're coming with me back to the fridge. So, now, here's the ham. So now that we've got our ham here, you can open it up. If you want, you can cheekily just get one. Just get on and eat it. So, pop a few pieces of ham. I'm going with as many as I like. I'm going to do 5. But you can do as many as you like. And you vegetarians, you can do as many. I'll give you a little tip after I've done our ham, because I'm going to do a ham and cheese in case you just want ham or you just want cheese. So next you can put, and also another good tip is to put the pieces of ham on your broken slice. So, and a good tip here is to use a bit more butter and put it on the ham. By the way, this isn't any old Jamie Oliver, it's Kid Chef Jamie Oliver. So next I'm going to tell you vegetarians what you can do with cheese or salad. You can just pop salad in and tomatoes in as well. And if you ham lovers like tomatoes, you can get some as well. I'll be back in a tick. So now that we've got our tomatoes, I can put our tomatoes on. So next we're going. Oh, and for cheese you can just slice it, and put it one way. So kind of do it like one way, then do it the other way. For cheese. So next we're going to put our slice of bread on top, so it should look like this. Okay? And if you look in between, you can see the ham. So next we need to cut it. So a nice style to do it is in triangles. You can do it in whatever kind of triangles you like. So I'm doing a certain type of triangle, and I'm going to use the knife that I already had, although I forgot that I already had it. So, here you are, some perfect sandwiches. And if you really like ham sandwiches or cheese sandwiches, you can make triple decker by just adding some ham on the top of one of them and pop the other sandwich on top to make a triple decker. So next time on Jamie Oliver Kid Chef. Bye.